today's video, let's talk about the recommended wheel spacer size for Mitsubishi Pajero. Let's go.
Proper Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers make sure your wheels and tires have enough space, so that nothing rubs up against the fenders, brakes, or other suspension parts. The perfect size of Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers may differ per version. For example, the recommended spacer size for this Mitsubishi Pajero is front 30mm and rear 30mm. In other words, these spacers provide a perfect front stance. The Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are standard components for fixing the wrong offset issues. Getting the wrong offset can actually reduce a vehicle's stability on the road. By creating the offset, spacers improve driving safety. For those who have a limited budget, installing Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers to fit the wheels will be a good idea. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are full of more than 66 SGS and TV test reports. All BONOSS Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacer package come complete with all necessary hardware, including ISO grade 12.9 wheel stud and ISO grade 10 wheel lug nuts to fit your vehicle. All BONOSS Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers are forged. In addition, high-precision Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure a smooth installing experience. You can run different sizes of Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers with no problems. However, different versions of the Mitsubishi Pajero may have different distance from the wheels to the fenders, even if they are the same exact cars. This gap between the front wheel and the rear wheel may be different. Knowing how much the wheel gap helps you choose the correct wheel spacer size, which can make the Mitsubishi Pajero wheel flush with the fender. Place a straight edge against the outermost part of the tires. Then measure from the outside wheel to the fender line. If the data is 30mm, then 30mm Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacers will flush the wheel with the fender. In conclusion, the installation effect is determined by the size of the Pajero wheel spacers you choose. A thin Mitsubishi Pajero wheel spacer will provide a subtle change in wheel stance, which a larger wheel spacer will provide a more aggressive stance.
Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.